Okay, this is seriously a video for YouTube. God, give me strength while I venture down in my basement to get the bird out of my hot water heater pipe. Okay, here we go. Oh, I need a flashlight. And probably a screwdriver. I have serious feathers on top of my water heater, and I have absolutely no hot water. There's where the noise is coming from. Something is stuck in there. No response. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to begin. Can I take those screws out? And drop it right out of the bottom of that? I gotta go get a screwdriver. I'm gonna try it.